The FTSE 100, having moved marginally and briefly into positive territory, has edged back down again, but it is off the low of 7,273 that it reached earlier. The market certainly has a holiday feel about it at the moment, with investors preparing to go into hibernation for Christmas. Many people are hoping that by this time next week, we may know a lot more about the trajectory of Omicron and the likelihood of further restrictions to contain it. For now, though, the markets have just about managed to hold on to the idea that Omicron's impact will be temporary. The UK economy recovered slower in the third quarter of the year, despite the easing of coronavirus restrictions over the summer and before the emergence of the new variant. According to the Office for National Statistics, gross domestic product was revised from 1.3% to 1.1% in Q3, with weaker performances from health and hairdressers and the energy sector contracting more in September than previously estimated. However, upward revisions to 2020 means GDP in the 3 months to the end of September was closer to levels before the pandemic, coming in just 1.5% below the final quarter of 2019. European gas prices have soared to an all-time high, with the winter cold snap likely to drive rises further. The increase comes as demand for gas continues to rise and as tensions between Europe and Russia intensify. The day-ahead price of UK gas hit 457 pence per therm, up 20% from Tuesday and around 7 times higher than the start of this year. Meanwhile, the wholesale Dutch gas price, the European benchmark, rose 16% to a new record. Wholesale gas prices for the UK and countries on the bloc have rocketed in recent months and put pressure on suppliers and energy consumers. The government is facing pressure to provide additional support. And crypto-based fan tokens promoted by Arsenal Football Club on its website have been banned by the UK's Advertising Standards Authority for breaking its rules. Many top-tier football clubs do offer fan tokens, but Arsenal is the first against which the ASA has taken action. The club partnered with a company called Sokios to provide consumers with access to a digital platform where they could collect tokens which must be bought with a cryptocurrency to engage with club decisions. Arsenal said the tokens were not promoted as financial products or an investment vehicle, and they did not encourage their trading. And those are your main stories from London at close of business.